Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Shopify for SEO. But before we use Shopify in SEO, what does SEO means? Based on Google result, SEO means search engine optimization and it's a process used to optimize a website's technical configuration, content relevance, and link popularity so its pages can become easily findable, more relevant, and popular towards users' search queries, and as a consequence, search engines rank them better. So now, if you are running a Shopify store, it is important that your Shopify store must be easily searchable in Google. So to do that, we need to have our Shopify for SEO. So first we will do is to have our products. So in products, we have the collections. To create collection, so we will create, then we need to make sure that on the title or the headings, we have the keywords for our product. So we will put our product in here. Then we need to create a description where the keywords are included. So this is where ChatGPT comes in. So ChatGPT can help you to write introduction, descriptions for your SEO content. Next, what we will do is to edit a search engine listing. So we'll click edit, then we will have our meta description. Then hit save. And we have our collection for SEO. The next thing we'll do is for our products. So we'll go again in product, add new product. So click add product, then the title should be the same with our keyword. Then add our media, then set up our prices. After you fill the necessary details, then we will also set up our search engine listing. So just like what we do in the collection page, we also change the meta description. Now that we set up our product page, now we need to have a tag for our image. So to do that, we'll click our image, then we will add our alt text. To add that, we just simply need to put our keyword again, then save alt text. There you have it. Now we set up our Shopify for SEO. So if you want to learn how to set up your own Shopify web store, so please watch our previous video. So if you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.